So I want to take a quick look at how Meguiar's Ultimate Wheel Cleaner works. So first, I got my M3 wheel nice and wet. I also put in a bucket some Ultimate Wash and Wax and some no rinse wash and shine, or O&R as everybody refers to it as. So after the wheel is nice and wet, I just squirt it all over the wheel. You can kind of see the brake disc turning purple, so I'm going to agitate it with my soapy mix. And you'll start to see purple appearing everywhere. Now the purple is a chemical reaction of the solution and soap and everything reacting with the brake dust and brake particles and other grime that's on your wheels. The Meguiar stuff, in my opinion, is comparable to the ammo solution that Larry Casilla uses, as well as the Sonex solution, but it's really easy to just roll into your local Walmart to pick it up. So as you can see, the whole wheel has begun turning a shade of purple, and I won't ruin your headphones with using my power washer to clean this off, so I'll give you a shot after I shoot all this off. So here's a nice shot of my nice clean wheel. I drive my M3 very hard, so it always gets a lot of brake dust, and what you see is basically what, comparable to almost a brand new wheel, and just a few squirts of this stuff all over the wheel and just agitating it with a soap solution. You don't really need my solution, you just need some kind of soapy water, or even water will just agitate it with something. But hope you like this. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you can.